So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, on the left hand side, you want to click on privacy and security. Now you want to scroll down till we find microphone. Click on this. Make sure that you have microphone access turned on. Make sure that you have let apps access your microphone turned on. And make sure that you have let desktop apps access your microphone also turned on. And if you see the application that you want to use your microphone for, make sure you have that turned on as well. For the next method, you want to go to search and type in sound settings. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to scroll down. Make sure that you have your microphone selected right here. And you want to turn up the volume of your microphone. Now you want to scroll down and then click on more sound settings. You want to go to the recording tab. You want to find your microphone. Click on it one time. And then click on set default, which will then make it a default device, and the green tick will appear right here. Next, you want to double click on your microphone and then go to levels. Again, make sure that your microphone's turned up and it's not muted, and then go to advanced. Make sure that you have exclusive mode ticked. Tick both of these. Go to listen. You can now listen to your device. So tick this box and then click on apply. If you start talking, you should be able to hear your microphone. See if that's working for you. Also, if you go back to advanced, you can try turning off both of these and then click on apply. See if your microphone's working. If it's not working, then just turn it back on again. And then click on apply and OK. For the next method, go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to expand audio inputs and outputs. You want to find your microphone, right click on it, and then click on update, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, you can click on search for updated drivers on Windows Update. And then click on check for updates. Make sure that your Windows is fully up to date. See if that works. Your microphone or your headset may also come with a software like my one does. If it does, then you want to go to your software and then click on your microphone. And then go to settings. Make sure that your firmware is up to date. For the next method, you want to go back to device manager, right click on your microphone, and then click on uninstall. Then you want to uninstall it. After you've uninstalled it, restart your computer. Come back into Windows again, and then Windows will automatically reinstall your microphone driver, and then hopefully this will be working for you. If it's still not working, then your microphone is probably broken.